Back with Danny Black. I know I haven't been here in a while. I apologize for that, and I thank all my new subscribers, especially you're probably here for Affinity Photo. I know I do Photoshop and things like that, but I'm gonna do something real simple, real quick, cause you might not know, so it may help you out or not. So what we're gonna do is add color to makeup real quick, like lipstick or colors that a makeup artist may have used. So I got this image up already, and all we're gonna do is add things to the colors that's already on her face. So as you see, I use the green backdrop, so I'm gonna blow that up. And what you do is go to the top up here where the right plus sign is, over to the right all the way up at the top, and we're going to make a pixel layer. Boom, we made a pixel layer. Now we're going to use that pixel layer as, we'll call it a paint layer. So all we're going to do is go in here. Let me go back. I'm moving too fast. You see the three dots with the circle at the top all the way to the left under layers. We're going to press on that. And now where you see normal, we're going to go all the way to overlay. There's an overlay right there. I used the arrows. You could have just did like that. Boom, pressed it, bam. Now go all the way back to the top where it says layer options, hit that arrow. Now we're going to use that pixel. Now I'm just going to go over the colors that's already on it. So you see this purple color right here under our eye. We're going to go with the green since the green is already up. Get the green over the eye. So we're going to go here. As you can see, I'm going to the green. I want it a little faded, so about right there. And I'm going to go all the way to the left, pick my brush tool. You see where it says paintbrush? Pick that. Go all the way to the bottom, all the way to the left where it says width, and we're going to make our brush size. So now we're going to just paint right over where we see green. And if that's too much, bring it down, bring our brush down some. And we're going to leave it like that. Now that may be too bright. And if it's too bright, let's see, we'll back off. Yeah, that's too bright. What you can do, you can bring the opacity down if you want to. Click on the dots, bring that opacity down, all the way like that. Cool. It's a little bit better. See what I'm saying? So now we can make another pixel layer because we're gonna go to the other eye. Make another pixel layer. Yeah, make another pixel layer. Matter of fact, I'm not going to make a pixel layer. I'm going to delete that, and we'll just use the same one. Whoa, wait a minute. I deleted the wrong thing. Well, we can go back. Oh, if you want to hit undo, just take two fingers, tap the screen, and it'll come right back. So we're going to just use that layer, and then we're going to just go over the other eye. Now that I see it's too light, I'm going to make it darker. But we're going to do that after we paint. So now we're painting. And all we're doing is going right over the green that's there. Make your brush as small or as large as you need it. And voila. Right over. Cool. So now we're going to look at it. Okay, I went too far up here. So I'm going to erase that. Matter of fact, I'm just going to hit undo. And start over. I'm just going to stay right in here. And see how it looks natural. Cool. So that's how you add extra color to makeup or anything you may want to change. You could do the lips. I'll do the lips. Well, I accidentally hit that. I don't know what I did, but I accidentally painted right here. Trying to tap to see when did I do that. You know what? We can just go to the erase tool and get that out of there. Okay, cool. It's gone. Real simple. Now we're going to do the lips. After I go back to my brush tool, and I'm going to start right on her lips. So all I'm doing is adding color. I'm doing it really fast just to show you how to add color. You would want to really take your time to get it perfect. And I was adding color. And that's how you do it. You just create a pixel layer, and you could put your pixel layer on overlay, or you could put your pixel layer on darken. I'm going to show you after I do this right quick. And cover that, and you play with your colors. Cool. All right, now you see that looks natural. It looks like the makeup artist did it. So like I said, you can go back, you can pick this, and you can go back to, let's see, I'm gonna go back to normal, where we started from. Where is normal? Where you at, normal? Okay, normal is right there. That's how it look if you did it normal. Now you could just go through your layers and see how you want it. And you see darken looks nice, multiply looks nice. What is that? Color burn. It still looks good. And then you can add. You bring up the opacity. It'll change the color. And that's how you can just add colors. You know what I'm saying? And just go through your filters or your layer options. And you could figure out how you want yours to look. And that'll be it. And you see now something like this. I'll just go back over. You know the little spots that I miss. You see right here with the lip. Cool. And you just go over where you think some color should be and call it a day. And now you got green lipstick on your photo to match the eyeshadow. And then that looks real. See what I'm saying? So I just wanted to show you guys that because I know I haven't been here in a minute, and I hope to help. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comments. If you want me to try something or show you something on Affinity Photo that you may not know how to do, feel free to comment in the comment. Like, subscribe. I appreciate everybody that comes to my channel and all my new subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys, and thank you for hanging in there. I know I haven't been on here in a minute, but I've been really traveling. I know y'all say traveling. Yeah, man, I was traveling during all the stuff that happened. And it was okay. Been okay. I haven't been sick. And, still working. So be responsible out there, everybody. I hope everybody's okay. I hope all my subscribers are healthy and well. And check on your people, man. And I've been okay. So I know some people might say, hey, where you been, Danny? I'm here, man. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just appreciate everybody for subscribing. Thank you. And like I said, if you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and we'll go from there. Okay, I hope this helped. Thank you. And like I always say, holla at you. See you later. Peace.